We're back in the crop of Graham at Kirkby Green, just south of Lincoln. We came a few weeks ago to plan the T0 fungicide. We saw very low levels of both yellow rust and Septoria. So at that particular point in time, we decided we would apply no T0 fungicide. To date, the crop has received no herbicide and no fungicide. It has received fertiliser to date. However, with the dry weather that we've had over the last few weeks and these repeated frosts, that fertiliser really hasn't started to take effect as yet. So we're here today now to plan our T1 fungicide strategy. Walk around the field today shows again very low levels of disease. However, we can see that there is more yellow rust compared to when we came a few weeks ago to plan the T0. So the yellow rust is clearly advancing, and we can also find Septoria more evident than last time. And that disease has progressed because we are getting heavy dews, so we are getting moisture on the leaf, which is favouring the development of Septoria, and we are getting that rubbing of the leaves in the wind, which again is helping to spread disease around the plant and around the canopy. Okay, we're just going to dissect this plant down and just see exact growth stage we're at. And what we're just trying to do is just tease out, find the nodes. You can see here, right at the tip, we've got the ear. One node here and one node just down here. The gap between them is very tight, so we need that gap to extend further to 1 centimetre to be up to growth stage 31. So in terms of the application, we really want that leaf tree to be fully emerged. The plan for this particular crop now at T1, based on what disease levels we're seeing here today, is to use a SDHI azole combination at around about 80% of its labelled dose. We'll apply that at leaf 3 fully emerged, and then in a few weeks' time we'll come back and plan the T2 fungicide strategy. The current thought is to use Univoq at 1.25 litres product per hectare, which is the standard recommended dose for the product. Univoq, containing Inatreq active and prothioconazole, is going to give us very high levels of Septoria control, and it's also going to give us excellent levels of rust control. When we come back in a few weeks' time, we may adjust that dose up or down depending on the disease pressure and the weather pattern we've had leading up to that particular timing.